Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have admin rights and note how much free space you currently have. Open Settings System Storage to record baseline GB. Then run disk cleanup on C and include system files. This removes temporary and update cache quickly. Once done, empty the recycle bin and uninstall apps you no longer use. Doing these first steps frees immediate space and prevents wasted effort on deeper tools later. Next, you move into deeper cleanup. Turn on Storage Sense and configure cleanup frequency and file age rules so Windows handles temp files automatically. If you recently upgraded, remove Windows. Old via storage settings or disk cleanup to reclaim tens of GBs. Manually clear user temp. Press Win plus R, type %temp% and delete entries. Once complete, run Storage Sense or disk cleanup again to pick up leftovers. These steps remove lingering system and user caches that ordinary cleaning misses. Finally, analyze disk usage to find big files you can move to an external drive or cloud. Media and VM images are common culprits. If you have a hard disk drive, defragment it, but avoid defrag on SSDs. Use optimized drives to run trim instead. After moving files, recheck free space. If a cleanup tool fails or space still looks wrong, run System File Checker and dism from an elevated command. Prompt: sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.